Good morning, class. Today we're going to see about the life of a butterfly, and it's a continuation of yesterday's lecture about Earth's ecosystems. We're going to see where they live, and they basically live all over the world. They live on every continent, but they live mostly in tropical weather and during the spring season. And they live in every continent in the world. And what the butterflies feed off is, depending on the stage that they're in, they feed off leaves. The, when they are on the larval stage, they feed off of leaves, and also they feed off of flowers when they are an actual butterfly. And have you guys ever seen a butterfly?
Yes, we have in our front yard.
Nice, nice. How big was it?
It was about as big as like maybe a leaf. I don't know.
Great, great. And what color was it?
It was orange and black.
Good. So butterflies have many colors. Some of them are very colorful, and they have a wonderful combination of different colors in nature. What was the butterfly doing?
The butterfly was actually drying off its wings to get ready to fly off and go on a different plant to lay eggs. It had just hatched from a chrysalis.
Oh wow, that must have been a wonderful thing to see.
Yeah, it was.
Good, good. Good, so now we're gonna watch a video. So I'll come over here first, and we're gonna watch a video. It's about the life of a butterfly. Can you guys see that?
In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf.
So bottom okay?
One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and hop. Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple. But he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle. One slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop. 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly.
Now that the movie ended, what we're gonna do now is I need you guys to write down the words that you need to clarify and ask questions. Now, what words do you need to clarify? What questions do you have? Zoe?
What is a metamorphosis?
Good question. Metamorphosis is the change that the butterfly goes through from an egg to a caterpillar to chrysalis, and its final stage it becomes a butterfly. Abby, do you have any questions?
What does a caterpillar do?
A caterpillar, once it hatches from an egg, it moves from plant to plant, and it just basically eats everything on its way. And what it wants to do is eat enough so it could survive through the chrysalis stage. Any other questions? Any other word you need to clarify?
How many eggs do butterflies lay?
Great question. Depending on the variety of butterflies, they could lay from a few eggs to hundreds of eggs each time. Abby?
What is a caterpillar?
Good question. A caterpillar is basically a worm. It's that is in the process of becoming a butterfly. So when it's in the caterpillar stage, it hatch from the egg, and its next stage is going to be chrysalis. So it's basically a worm. Great. So the next thing we're going to do, girls, is on a white sheet of paper, write down the life cycle of a butterfly, your own representation of the story, and then you're going to share it with the group. Each stage, write down the first stage, the second and third and fourth in order. Perfect. Good job. Now that you wrote it down, as a group, go ahead and share it with us how the life cycle of a butterfly is.
Okay. I guess I'll go first. So a butterfly, it first starts with the butterfly laying an egg, and then the egg becomes a caterpillar. After that, the caterpillar eats as many leaves as it needs to, and eventually becomes a chrysalis or cocoon. After it's a chrysalis, then it finally becomes a butterfly.
Great. So you did a great job presenting the story of a butterfly. Okay, good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to analyze the story in the movie. Excuse me. In the story, where did the story took place?
It took place on a leaf.
Yes. The butterfly laid eggs on the leaf. Good. And what did the butterfly eat throughout the whole stages?
The butterfly ate one apple, two
Yes, 2 strawberries.
two strawberries. It's like ate a bunch of different things. First it ate healthy food, then it ate junk food.
Yes, it did. And how long did the butterfly live?
For 7.
Yes, so it lived for 7 days, and then it started the cycle again. It's going to lay more eggs, and then the cycle starts over again.